Hey guys, what's up? In the last video, you learned how to enumerate your distribution or your kernel information. In this video, you are gonna learn how to use the find tool to search the files in your system. So let's get started. First off, you need to open your terminal. I will go to my root user so that I do not face any errors. You should follow along with me and note all the commands. I will go to my file system and I have already created a test directory. I will go to the test directory and I have also created some of the files so that it will be helpful to me to demonstrate to you in this video. ls. Now to use the find tool or the syntax for the find tool, it is very simple. First you need to type find and the type of the file or the directory in which the file is located according to you. If you don't know the file or the directory in which the file is located, then you can enter the whole file system so that it will scan whole file system and locate the file you are searching. Understood? Great. Now press space and you need to add a flag that is dash type. It means that you are searching either the file or the directory. It can find both file and the directory. For if you are searching the file, then you need to type F, but if you are searching the directory, then you need to type D. I will assume that if I will put both file and directory for this to show you the syntax. Then you need to type dash name, or to avoid the case sensitivity you can type iname. Case sensitivity meaning it will ignore the capital and small letter names. It will think that both are same. So if you want to ignore the case sensitivity, you can type iname, or if you want the case sensitivity, then you can type dash name, then space, double quotes, and you need to specify the name of the file you are searching. Example, I want to search, I have written file. Close the double quotes and hit enter. It is asking me that I have entered two of the options. It's file, right? Now it should find the file. It's searching whole of the file system of my Linux distribution, so it is taking some time. It has found the file which I am searching, that is this file. It has showed me the directory, that is test, as I am in the test directory and the file is located in the test directory. Now instead of searching the whole file system, I will enter the directory which the file is test, and I will change the file I needed, that is I will type hack the box, hit enter, and here you can see the find results was very fast. Now we will look out some advanced stuff, that is, now let us type find. Now to scan the whole system, we will find the file named proxy chains with the size of its size is less than 1 megabytes, and we will specify it, that is file system, and dash. You can also type, or for this demonstration I will not type it, as it will be easy to find to the find tool. I will type name space the name of the file I want to search, that is proxy chains dot conf, and the double quotes, space. Now the size of the proxy chains is less than 1 megabytes, so I will type dash size plus 1 megabytes. The proxy chain files would normally be located in the etc directory, but I will use the whole file system to scan the file. The search results are here, but I don't have the proxy chains file in my etc directory, so let's just ignore it. Now let us find the same syntax as I have created my files. I will run it, that is find whole file system name. The name of the file I want to search, that is, it will be open VPN. I have two files, open VPN and size, that is plus 1 megabits. Hit enter and it should start the scan. If you are not in a root user, then it will show you permission denied in much of the cases. It has not showed it because there is no data in OpenVPN, but I hope you have understood the syntax. So great. Now let's move on. Now to find the file using the permission it has, to find it I will give you an example, that is find slash. Now I will use the example, no, I will take the full file system space type space. Now I want to search the file, not the directory, space dash permission and the permission which the file has. And here I will use 400. If you don't know the permissions, I recommend you to search it in Google. There are lots of permission codes, so learn it. Here you can see there are lots of files with a permission of 400. It's not stopping. I will stop the process by Ctrl C and the process has been stopped. As here you can see there are lots of files in my whole file system. Now I will use only my etc directory to show you how much file I have with the permission of 400. Find slash etc space dash type f dash permission 400. Hit enter and there are no files with a permission of 400, but let's see files and it will show lots of files. These are the files located in my etc directory. That's it for this video, guys. I have an assignment to you all. I need you to create a directory in the etc naming test, and in that directory make a file naming naming password, and then you go to your file system and then use the find and use all the flags I have shown and search the name of the file. If you find it, then comment down in the video. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.